on a fresh sweatsuit and a mini goose sitting on dubs. I'm just looking for somebody to talk to and show me some love.
I don't know if you can hear it.
You know what I mean. Everybody talking me as soon as I stepped in the spot. I stepped in the spot. 200 better ain't none of them hot. Ain't none of them hot. Except for this pretty young thing that was working on the way at the top. On the way at the top. Shouted, what is her name? Ooh, she made us drink to drink. We drunk them, got drunk and when I think she thinks, she gave me a wink, I wink back, and then I think that we hit it off something proper like a bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, have a bartender. Okay, I like a bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm a bartender. Got a brand new girl, so I'm feeling all good inside. Feel like I put some brand new 24s on a brand new ride. Triple shot of Patron on the rocks with a little bit of lime. I'm just keeping it real. Baby still working at the club, so I'm getting in free. Wednesday night, I'm on the list, T-Pain plus 3. Every time I hit the spot, baby girl taking care of me. How do you think I feel? Ooh, she made us drinks to drink. We drunk and got drunk, and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and then I think that we gon' have fun at my spot tonight. Like a bartender. Ooh, if you're looking for me, I'm a bartender. Okay, I like a bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm a bartender. Okay. Shorty, I'm sure you heard that I rarely ever come out. Unless I'm in the M6 doing tricks, free rear burnt out. Got a passenger side that's empty, wanting it to be your spot. Get you on my billboard, we can act like the charts. I can end up on top. Don't smoke, don't drink, that's why I don't be by the bar, baby. Just looking at you from a distance, looking like a goddamn star, baby. So my girl don't see me T-Pain, can I get those keys to the car? To go and bang, bang, boogie. My cutie and I see you in the morning. Let's drink to drink. We drunk and got drunk, and now I know she thinks I'm cool. She gave me a wink, I wink back, and then I think we gon' have my spot tonight. Bartender, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay, I like the bartender. Yeah, if you're looking for me, I'm at the bartender. Okay.
Ngāti Hine FM.
I wata kai mai iwa ira tahi tuatu ihi kurangi. Mōre nai te iwi. It is I, Marcia Hopper.
Luke Bird.
Kapow!
And
that guy, kapow.
We're here live until 9 o'clock this morning, everybody. It's a great day here at Te Whanga o Reipai. We've had a great show. If you just joined us, how dare you come so late? Okay, that was great.
You finished on a high. It was just
I thought it was going to carry on.
I
tricked you all.
We did fix the online saga going on though, so you can join us online as well from our Facebook page, Kia Rei Mara, or the Ngāti Hine FM YouTube, or Nefa Creative.
That's right.
Yeah, but like we were saying earlier, Whānau, we have come to our segment called
E mea na koe.
Hi, kono.
E mea na koe a wahanga where we share kōrero tupurangi mai na airwaves.
Oh, kia
It's
ora,
about
mai nā
the
airwaves.
facts or
Kia ora.
cacks.
Kia ora.
Pretty much.
Should I start us off?
You start us
Start
off.
it.
'Cause
Mai with
I
Tati.
you had some good ones.
I
I heard.
do. You know when you
I
say,
do.
I'll be back in a jiffy? Or something
Yeah.
like, I'll be back in a jiffy. Jiffy is an actual unit of time. It's a real name to do with a real thing.
Oh, wow.
A jiffy is 1/100th of a second. That's what it says. I'll be back quick. That's what it means.
One jiffy.
1/100th of a second is an actual jiffy.
Oh,
Isn't that cool?
wow.
I'll be back in a jiffy. Yeah.
That's a buzzy one.
Yeah. And actually, no one actually comes back in a jiffy. It's all a
Yeah.
lie. It's a
I'll
lie.
be back in a sec. I'll be back in 2 secs.
Yeah, see you in
Or
a
in
sec.
my case, I'll be there in 5 minutes.
I'll be there in 5 minutes, 2 hours later. But yeah, back in a jiffy is actually 1/100th of a second. It's a real unit of time. Jiffy.
Wow.
Order. It just reminds me of Jeff the cleaning.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking of too.
I think that's a great one.
It's the echoing keyboard generator.
Oh, echoey mics. I've got one here
Yes.
that and it's like pretty. It's like crazy, but it's very short and there's no real explanation to it. So, Carl, how about
Love it.
But
Love it.
Love it.
but scientists have been able to turn peanut butter into diamonds.
Diamonds?
Yeah, diamonds.
How?
Turn
Yeah,
peanut
well,
butter
that's
into diamonds.
Yeah, they were able to somehow turn peanut butter into diamonds. But like I said,
He kupu whakarite tira I te mea at the end of the day, everybody. Diamonds or pearls, at the end of the day, it's just peanut butter.
we all can, yeah,
Well, because diamonds are formed under pressure.
yeah,
So,
coal form.
How do you make a peanut butter under
You
pressure?
just scare it.
Yeah.
Here's some jelly.
Just diamond poops it out.
Yeah. You made me eat.
That's so good. I like that one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
There's like I
that's-
said, there's
that's
no
good.
explanation. It just says peanut butter makes diamonds. Well, scientists have made diamonds out of peanut butter.
That's a good one.
And manakwa.
Aye.
Ora. What have I got? Nothing.
Okay. Did you know that most lipsticks in the world contain fish scales?
Most lipstick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's got
Fish
something to
scales.
do with the it's got something to do with the
Keeping it
solid.
not smudgy.
Smears it and it stays. It's the scale's
Wow.
got something in it apparently. That's quite cool.
Ooh.
Sure, the fish scales.
Anyway, moving right along.
I've got this crazy fact here, which is actually a little bit sad too. Over 3 billion people. 3 billion? How many people live on the earth?
7 billion.
7. Oh yeah. Over 3 billion people live on less than $2.50 a day.
No.
Yeah. That's what
No,
it says
that's
here.
like almost half the world's population.
Yeah.
No. That is so wrong, people. That's
Yeah,
terrible.
that is terrible.
$2.50 a day.
Yeah. Over 3 billion people live on less than $2.50 per day.
Wow.
You know, Elon Musk pays like a couple billion in taxes.
Oh, and tax.
That's his tax. Yeah.
Oh, so what is he making?
Exactly.
He'd be making
Exactly.
so much money.
Wowza.
He'll be making enough to save the world if that's your tax.
But $2.50 a day, that's the thing that reminds you very much that we actually live in privilege.
Oh yeah, for
And
sure.
people tend to forget their privilege.
Yeah.
Oh,
Kia ora.
Yeah.
Another one you got one,
forget.
Mas?
Talking about privilege. No. Prosecco drinkers.
Oh, yes.
Here's a fact
Yum.
for you. Prosecco makers must follow strict rules set by the Italian government. Among them, the wine must come from a geographic region that circles Venice like a tiara
Wow.
from the west, north, and east.
And that's where Prosecco's from.
Yes, and if you don't get it from there, then Horekai he Prosecco.
Well,
tira.
that's like champagne. Champagne is legally only allowed to come from the region in France called Champagne.
Kia
If it's anywhere
ora.
else, you can't legally have the name. It's not champagne because it's a particular grape. That's amazing.
Yeah,
Wow.
Oh, Marcy, that's a good one. I'm really impressed.
yeah. Do I like Prosecco?
No.
No, I think I can tolerate it. It's easier than champagne.
Yes, it's sweeter.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, here's one
Oh,
for you.
sorry, bro.
Well, yeah, go ahead.
Kawati just jumped in on the
Hi,
thing, and he says
We miss you.
that he pays $11 billion in tax.
What?
That's
11
his tax.
billion.
11 billion is Elon Musk's
In tax.
tax.
So he's making quadrillions.
Well, because what's tax like?
Who's
Elon.
Didn't he make the Tesla car?
Ah, Tesla.
But if he's paying 11 billion in tax, at least he's paying his tax. That's good. But because you can't hide that money. That's too
Nah,
much.
that's too
the
much.
tax people would just be going after him just
Yeah.
because he makes that much.
Actually, it'll be like,
billion.
but we could leave the whole rest of the world alone and still make our money off just that one
That's
person.
horrendously
We saw
lot.
a Tesla on the weekend, but it was like
There's
it could
everywhere
be
now.
Yeah, but it could have passed as like a hybrid Toyota or
Yeah,
something.
they look really.
Hybrid
Yeah,
Toyota.
And but the funny thing is, in Whangarei, there's a car park area for Teslas to charge, and I find that
yeah.
really funny. I'm like, really, guys? Come on.
Come on.
$11 billion.
Yeah,
in
$11 billion.
tax. I used to think Oprah was wealthy just having $3 billion in her account.
Oh yeah.
But he pays $11 billion
yeah,
in just tax.
he pays 5 times that in his
Kia ora.
we do.
Well, here's one for you, and this is American dollars. But if you have 3 quarters, 4 dimes, and 4 pennies, you only have $1.19. You also, though, have the largest possible amount of money in coins without being able to make change for $1. That's a thinking one.
Yeah.
but you can't.
You are correct.
Yeah.
It's like, wow, you have 3 quarters, 4 dimes, and 4 pennies. You have the $1.19. You also have the largest possible amount of money in coins without being able to make change for $1. That would just drive you
Kia ora.
nuts because you want to, can I make a change? And you can't, like, sorry, all those coins, you can't help you, sorry. That would just
Crack
be
up.
so annoying.
Well, while we're on the money subject, I got another one here. It says 100 trillion Zimbabwe dollars
Oh.
is worth less than $1 US.
Oh, no. That makes me
Ah.
feel so sad for them.
Yeah.
I got $100 trillion.
Well, that's like when you go to like Japan or China,
Yeah.
You're like, or
10,000 yuan.
yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, why make such a big number
Yeah,
for
yeah.
$1?
Yeah.
Like, come on.
It sounds great.
Yeah, it sounds great, but
Wow.
Or maybe at
and
one
you can
period
go
of time,
flick, and then
maybe one period of time it was worth more, and then over time it's not. So it's like
true.
what was $1 is now $1,000.
What country was it again?
Zimbabwe.
Wow.
Yeah. So what did I say? 100 trillion Zimbabwe dollars. Yeah, 100 trillion Zimbabwe dollars is worth less than $1 US.
That is incredible.
Yes, US money is so boring. It all looks the same. Mari, example, our cousin Mari, when we were in Hawaii,
Great anecdote. Yeah.
we were like, we went to, I think it was Auntie Melanie we were visiting
yes.
here, and Mum had asked, anybody want to give some koa? And she gives over, here, Kaz, here. And then Anthony was like,
That's
cheer, Kaz, like, tina koe mo tō koa. And I was like, couple of hundred, because it all looks the same. 100 looks like a 1.
Oh,
Which
yeah.
looks like a 10.
Yeah. Well, and the
Yeah.
notes are just paper.
Yeah.
Like our money's quite up
Yeah.
there when you look at like how you can't.
Remember when it changed? Do you remember when our dollars
Yes.
changed from paper to that? And we were like,
Whoa, you can't rip it.
look, water. Yeah, that was buzzy.
I've got one more. My final one here is recycling 1 glass jar saves enough energy to operate a television for 3 hours.
Yeah.
So that's quite good.
Also, just on the recycling buzz, you know how we can't crush cans anymore? Aluminium
Can't you?
cans. Well, apparently,
They're
if
hard
you
to
crush
sort,
them,
eh? They can't sort them.
yeah.
Or the
Oh.
machine can't
But-
sort them.
Why are we so late to that information? Or are we late? Am I just late to it?
Know it.
Yeah.
And we've just not been recycling for the last 40 years?
Yeah. For 40 years, we've just been crushing cans thinking we're doing them a favor.
Yeah.
I remember.
And
as a
then 40
kid,
years
you
later, finally someone goes, actually, we haven't recycled any of those cans.
Because I heard too, like they can't recycle milk bottles if they've been like, you got to wash them out. Like you actually have to wash them out and then like
so
keep
much
the lid
admin.
on, or do you take the lid off? One of the two. Like you
I
have
know
to
for
wash
these
them out and
bottles,
keep
you
the
And
lid
have
then-
to
off.
take the lids off.
Yeah, so you must have to
You got to
take
take
them
the
off.
lid off.
Yeah. They still take them, but
Oh,
they left
yeah.
us a note one day saying, "Can you please remove the lids?"
I've
Like,
never, ever got a note.
"Ah."
Yeah.
I think it's because we're nice to our rubbish and
Oh,
people. We
and
always
you're-
give them a box
you're
of
terrible
beer
to
and
yours.
stuff. We always say hi. How are you?
When do they come?
The days they usually come,
Yeah, which
Thursdays
is,
and Fridays.
and you're there for the
I'm not
receiving
sure,
of it.
No, but we usually leave them a Christmas gift, so they always go, "Oh, next time, can you guys take the lids off?"
Oh.
No,
What are you doing? Nah, Jake.
And did you know you've got to actually read the back and stuff because they've got different recycling numbers.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
some things you can't actually throw out. I'm like, that's disgusting.
You know what I find crack up is when you find out what you can't throw out is when they throw it back on your
the
lawn.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
even back in the container, just.
Yeah.
Terrible.
Thank you.
Or
Thank
they
you for
just
that.
like you got one thing in there they can't take, so they leave the whole recycling bin just there.
Terrible.
Yeah,
Oh.
but for the past how many years we've been crushing cans and then not even been going through it,
Yeah.
we? We've contributed to the hole in the ozone layer.
Which is right
with our
above
crushed
New
cans.
Zealand. Amazing. Well, that was reverting, everybody. That was great
Yes.
stuff. I love the
And
facts and
Mauna
cats.
Ai,
What am I-
kau kia no tātou ki te mita, I think.
Yes.
Aye.
So it is 8:50 a.m. this morning, Vane. We'll be here with you till 9 a.m. So not much longer, to be honest.
I'm Luke Bird.
I'm Phoenix Ruka.
Nā Masi Hopa, and we are.
E ara,
e
mana. Ai, ko hoki tātai ki te mito o te rohe, we have Shay Fu with Fade Away. Nō reira, kaua e huri ki te ana ki ngā Tini FM.
No, I'd never thought I'd see the day when you would get up out of here. So, long-time friends, we remain the same until you return. One day, I will say, I never fade away on you, my friend. I'm still thinking of when we used to chill and reason till the morning sun. So we talk of places never seen before. Who would think you'd be the one to go out there over mountains, oceans, highways, byways? Still you're thinking I'm there with you, tag team us two, straight through. That's why I stay strong to you. So why? No way, no how. I never fade away on you. No, I never thought I'd see the day when I would get up out of here. So, long time friends, we remain the same until I return. One day, I will say, I would never, no way, no how. No way, no how. Until we go out there over mountains, oceans, highways, byways. Still I'm thinking you're there with me, tag team us two, straight through. That's why I stay strong to you. So I never fade away on you. I never fade away on you.
Kia ora te kaumā iwa I ro ono ki whangarei nei ngā Tīne FM. You are listening to Eare Mana, and it's time for us ki te hoki ki te kainga.
Aye, to get on up out of here.
Yes.
You've been here with the crew, myself, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke from 7 right until now. It's been a
Aye.
great show. We've loved having you.
That's right.
And before we do go, Hari huri tau kia koe, Hari huri tau kia koe, Hari huri tau kia koe. Hari huri tau kia koe. Big shout out, of course, to Auntie Patsy Bryars, who celebrated her 60th birthday over the weekend. Hip, hip, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. I heard it was a banger, and it looked really, really cool with her island theme going on. So, tino mihi nui ki a koe, Auntie. And also the Cuzzies celebrating their birthday today. We got Huia. Tina koe kaihana. And of course, Ramari Sherman, another Cuzzy of mine. Yeah.
Love it.
Hari huri tau kia koutou katoa. Anybody else celebrating their birthday?
Have a great
Happy birthday.
Just on the note of Elon Musk, before we go, I just found out he earns $245 billion.
Okay, now you know
Wow.
that date that you're going with your new mate.
Oh,
You need to go on with Elon.
I know. Gosh.
Oh man, that would be great.
Wow.
That how much again?
245 billion.
245 billion.
Yeah.
That's enough, like, to just save the whole earth.
Just in comparison,
Yeah,
though,
yeah.
just in comparison,
He's Captain Planet.
in 2014 to 2018, he earned 455 million. And now he's gone up to 245
Wow,
billion
that's crazy.
in a couple years. Huge.
That is crazy.
I love, though, that he was just a nerd at school and he was bullied and he was, I'll show you. Boom. Look at him now.
Boom.
Look at him now.
That'll teach you.
That'll teach you. Anyway,
You know what
fun
he
day.
did? He pau te torea.
Aye,
Kapow.
aye,
Whaki te tai?
Kapow.
Kapow
Kapow
a
te
Elon.
torea.
That's right. Strike while the iron's
Ia no mai a mātou mō tēnei wā kia kaha.
Kia Maya.
Kia nifa.
Bye, guys.
Kapow!
Kapow. Ea re mana.
Hey.
Bring the beat in. Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're here. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Now everybody asks me why I'm smiling, I don't ear to ear. But I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Oh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. You put my love on top. Oh, come on, baby. You put my love on top, 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 top. My love on top. My love on this, baby. I can hear the wind whipping past my face as we dance the night away. Boy, your lips taste like a night of champagne as I kiss you again and again and again and again. Now everybody asks me why I'm smiling, I'm from ear to ear. But I know nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. And finally you put me first. Baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on top. Oh, baby, you put my love on top.
E aku nui, e aku rahi, hui noa I te motu tēnā koutou.